Welcome to the latest Mango Report. We tend to think of the routine and the mundane as burdens. The dishes that pile up. The emails that never stop. The laundry, the commuting, the endless small chores that fill the hours. But what if those very routines are not just background noise? What if they are part of what makes life feel human? AI promises to take them away. An invisible servant that answers emails, cleans our homes, balances our finances, even cooks our meals. The dream is that by erasing the mundane, we are liberated. Freed for creativity, for passion, for what truly matters. But here's the paradox. The routine isn't just wasted time. It is structure. It is rhythm. It grounds us in the flow of life. Washing a plate, sweeping a floor, walking to work, these small repetitions tether us to reality. They anchor our days. Remove them, and what happens? Perhaps we gain freedom, hours once lost now turned toward art, invention, reflection. Perhaps we also lose something subtler, the quiet discipline, the shared rituals, the gentle hum of necessity that gives life texture. Aristotle might remind us that virtue itself is formed through habit. Zen monks might say, the sacred hides in the ordinary, to sweep the floor is to sweep the mind. Even psychologists note that finishing small tasks delivers meaning, control, and progress. So, if AI does take away the routine, we face a question deeper than efficiency. Do we risk hollowing out human life, replacing its grounding rhythms with a restless emptiness? Or do we reinvent new routines, freely chosen? Exercise, craft, ritual, play, no longer demanded by survival, but embraced for meaning. The essence of human life has always been a negotiation between necessity and freedom. AI threatens to erase necessity. What remains is up to us. Perhaps the real challenge of AI is not whether it can do the mundane, but whether we can still find meaning without it. And perhaps a future in which we all lead lives shaped by purpose.